I love a summer drink that's refreshing and nutritious and tasty with all the healthy ingredients, but I don't like so much sugar. And so I wanted to create something with very little sugar and really healthy ingredients and teaching you how to do it fast and easy. It's called strawberry lemonade. You've heard it before, but this time it's going to be a little bit different and a whole lot tastier. We're going to take the strawberry lemonade here and we're going to do 2 lemons. We're going to peel them and de-seed them. We're then going to take 8 large strawberries, 1/4 cup of cane sugar, 1 cup of water, 2 cups of ice, and we're going to blend it on high for 2 minutes. That's all we have to do in order to make this amazing, refreshing strawberry lemonade. Right here on page 144 in Intestinal Health book, you're going to find a huge variety of choices on how to mix your juices and your fruits in order to have the best, healthy, tasty, homemade drinks. And if you got little kids, this is your book for them. Yummy Tummy Food. They're gonna love reading this. It's fun, it's funny, and it's well illustrated, and it's gonna take them on a great journey of eating healthy foods. So let's start now with getting our lemons ready. We're gonna take our 2 lemons and we're just gonna peel them, cutting off the ends. We're just gonna shear them. We're gonna cut them into quarters, and any seeds we're gonna pop out. So look, now we have all of our lemons are de-seeded, skinned, and cubed. By keeping the whole lemon in your lemonade, this little fibers in between the pulp is really good for the elasticity of your vessels in your body. And the pulp, of course, is just as healthy for you, and it's loaded with fiber by doing it this way. So let's use the whole lemon and the whole strawberries. So this is great. We have all of our ingredients and we're gonna put them together now and make the most delicious strawberry lemonade. So we're gonna take our container and we're gonna put these together. First, we're gonna put in our lemons. We have 8 large strawberries. We're gonna add 1/4 cup of cane sugar, 1 cup of water, and the final ingredient is going to be 2 cups of ice. This is how you make it a cold drink right off, is by doing majority in ice. And then we're going to blend it on high for 2 minutes, and it's going to turn into a beautiful liquid, cool drink. Look at those ingredients. These are ready to be blended into the most delicious strawberry lemonade. Let's go. Snap your lid on, because we're going for a high-speed ride into deliciousness. There we go, turning it off. Look at this amazing drink, and it's so super cool, ready to serve for a hot summer day. We're gonna pour our cup. Right here, look at that beautiful juice. If you want to serve this over ice, that's just fine too. But it's delicious just straight up, just like we've got it. Cheers. This is so delicious. It must be 100 degrees outside, and this is going to quench my thirst, and it's going to be nutrient rich, low in sugar, and it's going to satisfy my taste buds. Yours too. Whoa, perfect amount of sweetness with tang of the lemon and the beautiful flavor of the strawberry. You gotta try this one out.